told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday.
Saan ngomong namu? Oh. Ayo. Halo guys, selamat siang. Selamat sore, selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri untuk tahun ini. Ini sekarang kita lagi berada di Pantai Bagedur 16 Juni 2019. Sebelumnya kami ucapkan mohon maaf minal aidin wal faizin kepada seluruh subscriber bila ada salah dan hilaf dari kami. Sekali lagi mohon maaf. Itu dia Bi, bang. Oke, video. Dulu. Selamat datang di Pantai Bagedur. Asik. Orang-orang yang pada mondai-mondai. Nah, hari terus deh. Lain kali yang di sana banyak di sini. Ya, silakan. Ini kita lagi bersama Bule. Iya. Bule ya. Dari Instagram. Tong Nun nih. Tong Mehong Instagram. Tong Mehong. Facebook Ari Cihuy ya. Selamat liburan. Halo guys. Hai. Ngomong. Jumpa lagi bersama kami di Oh yang kita lagi di Pantai Bagedur gitu. Inilah suasana Pantai Bagedur di Wanasana Mantun. Tepatnya di mana? Kampung kita sendiri. Ya begini suasana. Ibunya tak ngomong ya. Lebaran. Hari Lebaran. Masih ramai pengunjung. Lebaran. Sesudah. Terus jangan ngomong yang ribu. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh,
Ooh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Ooh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday.
Halo guys, selamat siang semuanya. Kita lagi berada di Pantai Begdur. Suasana yang begitu sejuk dan adem. Kita lagi bersama teman-teman, lagi liburan. Dan ini sedikit suasana yang saya ambil untuk video sekarang. Pantai Begdur yang berada di Wonosalam, Lebak, Banten ini merupakan tempat wisata favorit untuk tahun ini. Menjelang Lebaran kemarin begitu ramai pengunjung datang ke sini. Halo guys, masih bersama Bagur. Halo Bogeng.